Now this is a tantric practice or tantric teaching. So the foundation, or I think this substantials of the material in order to practice Tantrayana, these two mental elements, understanding of Shunya, and then Bodhicitta. Without these two, almost impossible to proper practice
Tantra.
of Buddhist Tantrayana. So now about Bodhicitta we already touched briefly. Then also about Shunya also we briefly touched. So now any sort of any action, physical action, verbal action, mental action, in order to be causes for Buddhahood, they entirely depend on the motivation, Bodhicitta motivation. So we must have that. At least in this moment, we must have that gem.
So we must at least try to cultivate that bodhicitta, even in a simulated form.
Then this concept, now Shunya. So roughly speaking, Anatma. So that means the self entirely designated on the combination of body and mind. Not independent. Therefore, if we visualize new body, like deity body, if you meditate, or if your mind remain there, bit because of the longer period, then you can develop the feeling, I'm deity, because of the self designated on the combination of the body. So they deliberately, forget this body, rough body, and develop some subtle body in the mental level.
In your imagination.
Imagination. So you see that meditation is strong enough, then you get the feeling of I am deity. So that's the tantric. So now in order to dissolve, you see, this rough body, the method, understand the ultimate reality of self as well as the body. There is no independent because of the self-existence, mere designation. So remember that, then automatically in the mind, the appearance of these automatically disappear. Then they understand of ultimate reality, that wisdom itself, then imagine transformed into the kabuk deity sometimes.
So into the specific meditation deity of your practice.